Hi, I'm Joachim for Statistics Globe, and in this video I'll explain how to remove outliers from a dataset using the R programming language. In the video I'm going to show you an example, and this example is based on the data that we can create with lines 2 to 4 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio a new data object is appearing, which is called X. And we can also have a look at this example data by running line 5 of the code, and then you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that our data is consisting of 1000 numeric values. Now we can also draw these values in a box plot using line 7 of the code. So if you run this line, you will see that at the bottom right of RStudio a new box plot is appearing, and as you can see, this box plot has several outliers. And in the following part of this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the most extreme outliers of our dataset. So for this, we can use the boxplot.stats function, as you can see in line 9 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that a new data object appears, which is called xout_rm. And this new data object is containing only the values that we want to keep in our data. So in other words, this data object is not containing any outliers anymore. So this code that I have used here in line 9 might look a little bit complicated. However, I will put the whole code that I have used in this video into the description of the video, so you can just copy paste it from there and then you can use it for your own application. However, one important point when you are removing outliers from your data is the number of outliers that you are removing. So in line 11 of the code, I'm first checking how many outliers we have removed by using the length function. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that the value 10 is returned, and this value is showing the number of outliers that we have removed. So in this case, we have removed 10 outliers from our dataset. Now in line 7 of this video, I have explained how to draw a box plot of the entire data, including the outliers. So let's now draw a box plot that is showing our data without the outliers. We can do that by running line 13 of the code. So in this line of code, I'm applying the boxplot function to our subset without outliers. So if you run line 13, you can see that at the bottom right of RStudio a new boxplot is created, and as you can see, this boxplot is not containing any outliers anymore. So in this video I have explained how to remove outliers from a dataset using the R programming language. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.